unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
To manually fix corrupted files, start by using built-in system tools. For Windows, run the System File Checker, SFC, by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and typing SFC scan now. This tool scans for and repairs corrupted system files. If files are not system-related, try using file repair software specific to the file type, e.g., Word, Excel. Additionally, restoring from a backup or using previous versions feature available in the file's properties can also be effective. Always back up important files to prevent loss.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.